Hello, everyone. Welcome to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving for competitive exams. In today's lecture, we will do coding and decoding and we'll solve some examples. So, in the last lecture, we discussed the 8 types of problems that can be formed in coding and decoding. We discussed letter coding, number coding, mixed letter and number coding. Then we also discussed symbol coding and sentence coding, substitution coding. So overall, we discussed 8 type of coding and decoding problems. So we'll understand all of these better with the help of some examples. So let us start over here. And this is your example number 1. If apple is coded as CRRNG, then how is orange coded in this particular pattern? So I told you for coding and decoding, we have two methods that we have to follow, 2 steps that we have to follow. First is coding, and second is decoding. So coding is already done for us in this example. We are already given a code. Now we have to do the second step. That is, we have to identify the pattern and then code this word in a similar manner. So let us start with this word. So I told you that it is always advisable to write your letters one below the other to get a clear understanding of how we are proceeding. So if you remember, I told you some concepts of forward rank, backward rank, opposite letters, and I also discussed the concept of loop. So with the help of these 4 concepts, we can easily solve letter or alphabet coding problems. So in this question, if I give them ranks, if I give ranks to all of these, then A is ranked as 1, P is ranked as 16, L is ranked at 12, and E is ranked at 5. Similarly, C is ranked at 3, R is ranked at 18, N is ranked at 14, and G is ranked at 7. So when I assign the ranks, I can clearly see there's an addition of 2 positions. So we are going 1 plus 2 positions to 3, 16 to 18, again addition of 2 positions. Similarly for 12 and 5. Therefore, that means the pattern is that we are adding 2 positions to these letters. So for orange, if we have to code, we'll move 2 positions forward. So O will be coded as Q, R will be coded as T, A will be coded as C, N will be coded as P, G will be coded as I, and E will be coded as G. So our answer will be QTCPID, which is option number 1. Okay. Now let us see the other example. This is the answer. So in this question, cloud is coded as this, and how is storm coded, we have to find out. So let us check for cloud. CLOUD is coded as DMPVE. So C is 3, L is 12, O is 15. If you remember, I told you a shortcut, EJOTI, to remember forward ranks, where E denotes 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So U denotes 21 and D denotes 4. Similarly, I can see 4 here. M is denoted by 13, P is denoted by 16, V is denoted by 22, and E is denoted by 5. So clearly there is an increment of 1 position from the original letter. This is the original form. And this is the coded form. So let us write the other original letter over here, STORM. So we'll move one position forward. S will be T. U, O will be P, R, S, M, and N. So our answer will be TUPSN, which is option number 2. Again, similarly, I can see butterfly is coded as this. What is flower coded for? Let us see what is the pattern that is being followed. If I write butterfly here, so I'll write A, T, S, S, D, Q, E, K, X. So let me give them rank. 2. U will be coded as 21, 20, 25. The rank for R is 18, 6. The rank for L is 12, and for Y it is 25. So for A it is 1, 20, S is 19, D is 4, Q is 17, E is 5, and this is K. K is ranked at 11 and X is ranked at 24. So here I can clearly see that we are moving one position backwards in all of these cases. So if I have to code flower, I'll move just one position backwards. So from F we take E, from L we take K, from O N, W it will be V, E it will be D, and for R it will be Q. So our answer will be E, K, N, V, D, Q, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be our answer. Then over here, machines is coded as this, and how is computer coded? Now over here, I can see that whatever letters is in machine like MACH, I can see it over here also. So I am assuming because they are same letters, this is coding by pattern formation. This is a type of coding, decoding that we learned in the previous class. Coding by pattern formation. So in coding by pattern formation, we have to check what pattern is being followed. So let me write it over here. Machines is coded as AMHCNISE. So if I break them from here, I can see that A is moved into this position, M is moved into this position. So this crisscross pattern is being followed, that the alphabets, each pair of alphabets is exchanged. The position is exchanged. So let us do the same thing for computer. SCCOMPUTER. Let us break them at two positions. So O will be written over here, C here. P, M. I am just interchanging the positions with each other. So if I interchange the positions like this, I'm following a crisscross manner in each case, then my code will be OCPMTURE, which is option number 3. So option number 3 will be our answer. Now, Apple is coded as this. How is table coded? Let me write the ranks over here. A is ranked 1. P is ranked 16. L is ranked 12 and E is ranked 5. So B is ranked 2. Q is ranked 17. M is ranked how much? M is ranked at 13 and F is ranked at 6. So here I can say 1 plus 1 will give me 2, 16 plus 1 will give me 17. So from here to here we are moving one position forward. So we'll follow the same pattern for table as well. So let me write it over here. T plus 1 will give me U, A plus 1 will give me B, C, M and F. So our answer will be U, B, C, M, F, which is option number 4. So option number 4 is our answer. Then similarly, we have to find the pattern for robot. So if I write the ranks, R is ranked at 18. O is ranked at 15. T is ranked at 20. B is ranked at 2. So if I look here, P is ranked at 16. M is ranked at 13. Z is ranked at how much? 26. M is ranked at 13 and R is ranked at 18. So from here I can say 18 to 16 it is moving 2 positions back. 15 to 13 it is moving 2 positions back. 15 to 13 again 2 positions back, and 20 to 18 it is moving 2 positions back. But here we have position 2 and here we have position 26. So here we use the concept of looping as I told you. So if we have something like this, X, Y, Z, before this and after this. So in the concept of looping, I told you that if we have to move 2 positions forward from Z, we'll go 1 position forward and then 2 position forward. Following the same rule, if we have to go 2 positions back from B, we'll go 1 position back and 2 position back. So therefore, B will be coded as Z when we go 2 positions back. So we'll follow the same logic for peach. Peach, let us write the ranks. It is ranked 6, 5, 1, 3, and H is ranked at how much? 8. So we'll go 2 positions back. 6th rank, 1st rank. This, if we have to move 2 positions back from A, it will be the 25th rank. So 25th rank, then 3rd rank, and here also we'll get 14th rank. So which is the letter at 14th rank? N. C, Y, A, and F. So our answer will be NCYAF, which is option number 4. Okay, here is the solution. Again, flower is coded as this. How is spring coded? So let us write flower is coded as LRUCKX. Okay, so F6, L is 12, O is 15, W is how much? W is 23, E is 5, and R is 18. So L is coded as 12, R is coded as 5, U is coded as 21, C is coded as 3, K is coded as 11, and X is coded as 24. So here I can see there's an increment of 6 positions. Here also, R is coded as 18. Here also increment of 6, 6. Here there's an increment of 6. How? W, X, Y, Z. Again starting with the loop. So 6 position forward will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we'll get C as the answer. From here also we are going 6 positions forward, and here also. That means we have to go 6 positions forward. S is coded as 19. P is coded as 16. R is coded as 18. I is coded as 9. N is coded as 14. And G is coded as 7. So we have to go 6 positions forward. So 19 plus 6 will give the 25th position. 16 plus 6, 22nd position. 18 plus 6 will give us 24th position. This was 9. 9 plus 6, 15th position. I am running out of space, so I'll write here. Okay. 25th position, then 22nd position. 18 will give us 24th position. 9 will give us 15th position. Here we'll get to, if I add 6 to this, 20th position. And here I'll get 13th position. So 25th position we have Y. 22nd position we have V. 24th position we have X. 15th position we have O. 20th position we have T, and for 13 we have M. So our code will be YVXOTM, which is option number 3. So option number 3 will be your answer. Okay. Now this one. Tiger is coded as this. So how is leopard coded? Again, let us quickly give them ranks. U, F, D, B, O. So T is coded as how much? T is coded as 20, I is coded as 9, G is coded as 7, E is coded as 5, and R is coded as 18. Similarly, we'll give these ranks 17, 6, 4, 2, and O is coded as 15. So very clearly, I can see we are going 3 positions backward, 20 to 17, 9 to 6, so on. So we'll move 3 positions backward for leopard also. So L, E, O, P, A, R, D. We have to go 3 positions back. So L is coded as 12, 5. O is coded as 15, P is coded as 16, A is coded as 1, R is coded as 18, and D is coded as 4. So we have to go 3 positions back. So our code will have 9th position, 2nd position. This will be 12th position. Then over here also 13th position. From A, we are going back X, Y, Z, A, B, C. So if A from we have to go 3 positions back, that means we have to go to X. X is how much? 24th position. 18th say 18. We also have to go 3 positions back. 15th position, and over here the first position. So our answer will be 9th position is at I, B, 12th position is for L, M, 24th position is for X, 15th position is for O, and for first we have A position. So our answer will be I, B, L, M, X, O, A, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be your answer. So let us look at this question. Black is coded as DNCEM. So we have to figure out how white is coded. So let us write black is coded as DNCEM. So position of B is 2, L position is 12, A position is 1, C position is 3, K position is 11. So over here I can see that D is 4, N position is 14, C position is 3, E is 5, and M is 13. So clearly I can see that 2 positions are being moved forward. If 2 positions are being forward, let us find for white. W is positioned at 23, H is positioned at 8, I is positioned at 9, T is positioned at 20, and E is positioned at 5. So from 23, if we have to move 2 positions forward, we'll go from, we have to find 25th position, which is Y. From 8 to 10, which is J. From I to 11, which is K. From T to 22, which is V. And from E to, if we have to move 2 positions forward, we'll get G. So our answer will be Y, K, Y, J, K, B, G. This is the answer, which is option number 2. Then sun is coded as QSL, and we have to find the code for moon. So sun QSL. So S code is 19, U code is 21, N code is how much? N code is 14, L code is 12, S code is 19, and Q's code is 17. So again, we are moving 2 positions backward. So for moon, if we have to find out, moon, we'll go 2 positions back, K. From O, if we move 2 positions back, M. And from N, if we move 2 positions back, we get L. So our answer will be KMML, which is option number 4. So option number 4 is your correct answer. Then glitter is coded as this, and we have to find the code of sparkle. So again, let us write down. Glitter is coded as HM JUUFS. So G is coded as 7, L is coded as 12, I is coded as 9, 20, 25, and R is coded as 18. Similarly, S is coded as 19. I can see they are moving 1 position forward. R to S, E to F, T to U, I, J, L, M, and G to H. So they're just moving one position forward. So for sparkle, if we have to find out, it will be T, Q, B, S, L, M, F. So our answer will be T, Q, B, S, L, M, F, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be our correct answer. Then bright is coded as this. We have to find out the code for learned. Now bright is coded as CQJFIS. So second position, third position. R is positioned 18, Q is positioned 17. I is positioned 9, J is positioned 10, G is positioned 7, F is positioned 6, H is position 8, I is position 9, and T is position 20, S is position 19. So here I can see it's a plus 1 situation. Here minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, and then again minus 1. So all the odd positions, first place, third place, and fifth place is moving one position forward. And all the even positions, second place, fourth place, and sixth place is going one position backward. So similarly, we have to find the code for learned. If I move one position forward from L, here we'll plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. So if I move from here, L, M, A, B, and N, after that O. Similarly, here we have D, and here we have Q, and here we have S. So our code will be MDBQOS, which is option number 4. So our answer will be option number 4. Okay. Then silent is coded as this. How is whisper coded? Again, let us quickly solve this. Silent is coded as VLOHQW. So S is 19 and B is how much? B is 22. So I can see a addition of plus 3. Let's check. L, if we go to O, we are adding 3. I, if we go to L, we are adding 3. E, if we go to H, plus 3. N to Q is also plus 3. And similarly, T to W is also plus 3. So we are adding 3. So let's do the same thing for whisper. If we add 3 from W, we'll get Z. If we add H by 3, we'll get K. If we add I to 3, we'll get L. S will also be V. P will be S. E will be H. And R will be U. So our code will be ZKLVSHU, which is option number 3. So our answer will be option number 3. Now bubble is coded as this. We have to find the code for tumble. So second position, second position, second position, fifth position. L is 12 and U is how much? U is 21. So here I can see first position, first position, first position, fourth position. K is 11 and T is 20. So here very clearly I can see that we are moving one position backwards. So we'll do the same thing for tumble. T is 20th position. U is how much? T is 20th position. U is 21. M is 13. B is 2. L is 12. And E is 5. And we have to go one position backward. So our code will be S, T, L, A, and K, and D. So our answer will be STLAKD, which is option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer. Then again, spring is coded as this. We have to find the code for summer. So here I can see ST plus 1, PQ plus 1, RS plus 1, IJ plus 1, NO plus 1 and G2H is also plus 1. So basically we are increasing each term by one position. So we'll do the same thing for summer. STUV, after M we'll get N, E, F, and after R we'll get S. So our answer will be TVNNFS, which is option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer. Then marble is coded as NBSCMF. So how we have to find the code for bottle. Again, marble, I can see plus 1, M to N, A to B is plus 1, R to S is plus 1, B to C is plus 1, L to M is plus 1, and E to F is also plus 1. So again, each term is being increased by plus 1. So we'll do here quickly. C, O, P, T, U, U, L, M, and E, F. So our code will be CPUUMF, which is option number 1. So option number 1 will be the correct answer. So this is the last question for today. Let us look at it. Pencil is coded as SIL-pen. So I can see these are similar letters. So maybe this is pattern by formation, by changing the formations. So let us write. PEN is coded as PENCIL is coded as CILPEN. So if I break it from between, I can very clearly see that the last 3 letters are written in the front and the first 3 letters are written in the last. So for melons, if I break it in the from the middle, ONS will be written first and then we will write MEL. So our answer will be option number 2, ONSMEL. This is the solution you can check out. So this concludes our lecture on examples for coding and decoding. Thank you.